Don't be a loser, okay? Don't be a loser here. We have too many losers on the planet. And understand this about losing. Because if you're watching this, you want to be a winner now, right? Losers have a mental mindset of losing. It's a mentality. Some of you who are watching this right now are struggling financially. I get it. You know, the world economical crisis right now, people are struggling here. But what I want you to understand is you're not poor. As a matter of fact, don't you ever say that you're poor. And you're not a loser. You're not suffering. You're not depressed. I don't want you to ever say these words for the rest of your life. And let me tell you why. Your reality can change at any moment. At any moment. Right now. It's your mindset. What I want you to begin to do, I want you to say this. I am rich. Just say it. I know what you're thinking. Well, what? Listen, just listen to me. Some of you are so stubborn and you don't have an open mind. Open your mind for a second. I am rich. I'm successful. I am confident. I am powerful. Right? Say those words now. Those words are power. The power to create, and words can destroy. What I want to give you right now, as you're listening to this video, in the link below, I want you to use a script that I've used for a very long time that completely turned my life around. Now listen, I'm not going to promise that it's going to turn your life around. Okay? It has already helped over 100,000 people. You're going to see people on the next page once you click that link, just like you, who were struggling financially, who were depressed, high anxiety, people that were unhappy. And now they're happy. Now they have hope. People who have left their jobs, people who have businesses now, and people who are manifesting millions of dollars. And like I said before, it's no promise to you, but I promise you this. If you decide to click the link below to go to the next page, your life will never be the same. I love you, and I'll see you on the next page. Let's go.